Welcome to computer class. This is week 8 lecture 2 and we will continue our lesson 2, dear students. In previous class we have discussed input-output and different storage devices thoroughly. Today we will discuss exercise question answers in detail. We have already discussed most of the answers in previous classes. But here we will discuss some of the topics again as mentioned in the exercise. For better understanding, students, you are requested to maintain notebooks with the help of this exercise neatly. Now we will start the short questions. First short question is: define input and output devices. And answer of this question is: the devices through which data and instructions are fed into a computer are called input devices. Few examples of input devices are mouse, keyboard, trackball, joystick, etc. The devices that are used to get the output from a computer are called output devices. Few examples of output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Second short question is: describe printer briefly. Answer of the question is: printer is an output device used to provide output in a permanent readable form on the physical medium, like paper or transparent film. Printers are of two main types. First is impact and other is non-impact printer. Third short question is: define the term memory with the reference to computer. Answer of this question is: the storage capacity of a computer is called its memory. Memory enables the computer to store data, instructions and information. Fourth short question is: how many types of memory are there? Which type of memory is known as non-volatile memory? Answer of this question is: computer memory can be classified into three types, namely primary memory, read-only memory and secondary memory. Read-only memory and secondary memory is known as non-volatile memory. Last short question of the lesson is: define the term RAM and ROM. Answer of this question is: RAM or random access memory is known as primary or internal memory of computer. The memory can be directly accessed by the CPU. It also known as volatile memory, because it loses its content when the power is turned off. ROM or read-only memory is a memory from which usually the information can only be read. This kind of memory that retains its contents even when the power is turned off is known as non-volatile memory. Now let's talk about descriptive questions of this lesson. First descriptive question is: how does a touch screen differ from a graphics tablet? Which do you think is most useful mechanism? Why? Answer of this question is: a graphics tablet allows the computer user to draw images by hand with a special pen called a stylus. The image is visible on the monitor as one draws, but does not appear on the tablet. A touch screen is a computer display screen that recognizes touch input. The user interacts with the computer by touching words or pictures on the screen. I think the touch screen is a very useful mechanism, as it makes user interaction very easy. A graphics tablet is limited to professional use. Second descriptive question is: write a short note on hard disk and flash drive. Answer of the question is: a hard disk is part of a unit called a hard disk drive and stores data. Hard disk drives come in different storage capacities. Examples are 320 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, etc. A hard disk is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. The platters are coated with magnetic material which consists of invisible circles called tracks. The tracks are further divided into sectors. The flash drive is also a secondary storage device. Comes in various capacities. Few examples are 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes and so on. It can be used to read, write, delete or transfer data. It is widely used nowadays because it is easier use and small enough to be carried around in your pocket. To use a flash drive, a USB port is needed. The device is plugged into the USB port of a computer. That's all for this class. Have a good day.